Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 8 alarming ways bad posture is ruining your health and success. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. There are several things that can dramatically impact your life, your appearance, your body, your overall health, and your orthopedic issues. When we talk about appearance, posture becomes a vital factor that forms your appearance. Having a bad posture ruins the beautiful face. Poor posture not only ruins your appearance but also causes you a lot of pain, dysfunction, and sometimes difficult surgeries. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 8 alarming ways that bad posture is ruining your life and your health. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Neck issues. One of the most common problems that bad posture causes are neck issues. Because when you have poor posture, your head goes forward and puts a huge amount of tension and stress on your neck. The whole neck and especially the lower neck and upper cervical vertebra in this situation. This issue will cause severe headaches and neck pain for you, and you don't even know its cause. For every inch your neck goes forward, 10 pounds of stress and pressure are on your neck. So, take care of your neck with good posture. Number 2. Shoulder pain. You might not notice, but bad posture is also hurting your shoulders. You may experience shoulder pain, and you don't know why. Poor posture is one of the biggest reasons for shoulder pain. If you pinch your shoulder while sitting or standing, it will cause severe pain. This issue mainly happens to people who work with computers or have desk jobs. 70% of shoulder pain that people experience is caused by poor posture. So, you really need to work on your posture. Number 3. Effects on breathing. When you have a poor posture with a slouching back, your abdominal muscles and diaphragm are under pressure. So, when these organs are under pressure, you can breathe fine and fill your lungs with the maximum amount of oxygen. As you see, having a slouched back decreases the volume of your breathing and oxygen intake. Also, your rib cage is not able to expand as it would like to when you're up to here. Then you can breathe and really take it. A lot more value is going to give you more energy. Going to change. Make a big difference in your life. It's actually the problem is with spreading everything starts tightening up, they have trouble with breathing. Number 4. Impacts on the appearance. As we talked about pain and body issues that poor posture is going to cause. But in this part, we want to talk about its effects on your appearance. When you stand tall in a good posture, you look more confident. Believe it or not, good posture makes your belly look less. When you slouch your back, your stomach looks bigger than it really is. Imagine that you are getting ready for a job interview. When you walk there with a slouched back, you are probably not going to get the job unless anyone else looks like that. It is not a good thing, but people think of you based on your appearance. Especially for first impressions, appearance will become very important. People with poor posture also look older than they are. So, keep your head up, shoulders back, and walk and stand with confidence. Number 5. Effects on your jaw. It might be surprising but poor posture even affects your jaw and the way you can chew. The first thing that should be taught to people with jaw pain is to have a good posture. Because not keeping your neck in a neutral position causes your joints to lose their natural pose. Number 6. Slowing down the digestion process. We do a lot of things while sitting, one of which is eating. Interestingly, most people are accustomed to sitting at a table and talking even after eating. Sitting in a poor posture for a long time during and after eating makes the process of digestion slower than usual. Constipation, heartburn, stomach aches, and weight gain are the side effects of bad sitting posture. Number 7. Chronic muscle cramps. Prolonged sitting causes pain in the upper body, shoulders, neck, and back of the body. This is especially true if the principles of proper sitting are not followed. Most people bend over to one side after sitting for a while, and the body is in a bad position and suffers more injuries in the long run. This is why we see that people who have desk jobs complain more about muscle aches. Even if sitting is done in accordance with the principles of body health, more pressure is still applied to the neck and shoulders. The lumbar vertebrae also become stressed when you have bad posture and lose their flexibility, which may increase the risk of developing lumbar disc herniation. Number 8. Weakening of the legs. When we have poor posture while sitting, walking, or standing, the legs do less activity, which can damage the legs in the long run. Sitting still causes less blood circulation, blood clots in the arteries, swollen lower limbs, weakened bones, and even osteoporosis. Interestingly, there are easy ways to prevent these complications. For example, we suggest that you use every opportunity to move so that blood flows in your arteries. Use long-running TV commercials to take a walk. Take every opportunity to walk, and if time permits, do stretching exercises to allow blood to flow through the arteries. As you can see, poor posture deals with every part of your body. So, it's time to make a change and correct your posture. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.